By the end of this video, you can learn how to remove any artifacts or pimples from any face in Photoshop. Hey, I am Anirban and you are watching pixmentor. I will teach you one is traditional and one is the AI, the neural filter in beta version. So let's get started. Welcome to the world of Photoshop. Here we have a photo with some odds like pimples. So we have to get rid of all these odds on this photo. So at first Ctrl or Command J to duplicate this photo and then Ctrl I to invert this photo. Then go to blending mode and convert it to vivid light. Then filter and convert to smart filters. So we can easily change the value of this photo and we can get our result instantly. Then go to filter, other and high pass. Increase the radius like that and click OK. So we have a perfect measurement of this photo. The next step is applying Gaussian blur. So go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. So here is the before and after applying Gaussian blur, here is the after. So we have to put the Gaussian blur to maintain the skin texture with removing all pimples. Okay, that's it. Now click and hold the Alt key and click on the negative mask. After that, we have to select the brush tool and invert the color, then paint it slowly. You can try this on your photo. Check how amazing the result are. Now check how amazing the result are. This is the before and this is the after. Check the result. And for those pimples we can use the stamp tool. So we can make it perfectly. Now we can move on the next step, the AI part. So we have to delete all of them and go to filter, neural filter. This is the easiest way if you have the subscription of Adobe. Okay, go to skin smoothing and turn it on. Well, we have a result. We have to increase the smoothness of the skin and blur according to my taste of the photo. Keep in mind all the numbers are variable. As per the photo, 45 is best and skin smoothing up to 50 is best. And if you want to color this photo, you can use colorize. Simply you can use colorize. Now check the photo. Also, please check smart filters for all output. This is a vital step for all editing. Please check output as a smart filter. No new layer, no current layer. Just select smart filter and hit OK. Check our output. Now this is like amazing. You can check the output. This is amazing. So for the recap, that's all for the recap. First we have to use the high pass filter. If you have the subscription of the Adobe Photoshop or Adobe subscription, then go to neural filter and do your work correctly. And that's all. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for future notifications. Peace.